So, hi, my name is Rajesh, and she is my wife, Shweta. And this is our first home which we purchased together. After getting the possession, we were looking for good interior designer here in Pune, and we searched a lot. Then, after some time, we came across Excel Construction, and then we approached him, talked to him, and told him our requirements. He's really cool and calm guy. We really impressed with our first meeting with him. After starting the project, he was there with us for each and everything, even for paint selection, curtain selection, laminate selection. He was there with us, and he always gives his suggestion. And one more thing I wanted to discuss here about TV unit. I really wanted to have proper in full wall, so which I was looking for, and in the end, it came very well.
There were laborers who were working on the site. They were also professional. They were helpful also, and they did the job really wonderful. He always welcomed our ideas. So that's how our experience was really wonderful working with Jay. When we had this discussion with Jay regarding kitchen, we wanted to design our kitchen very beautifully. Along with the kitchen, we also wanted the breakfast counter, which he has designed very beautifully. The way he has designed, we have got a lot of storage, lot of space, and I think this is looking perfect the way we wanted.
We told Jay, okay, we wanted a settee in our master bedroom. He gave us a design, and ultimately in the end, we got a really nice settee where I can sit, read my books, and enjoy my tea in the evening. And I'm really thankful to Jay about it.
He also suggested couple of combinations would look better in master bedrooms. What are the options which we can opt for guest bedroom? We wanted to design our kids' bedroom. He suggested what color combinations we can go for. So that way Jay was very helpful, and he has always provided his inputs wherever we needed. For guest bedroom, I think we were going with a very simple and elegant tone, but we wanted our mandir also to be designed in the guest bedroom itself. So Jay has helped us, and our guest bedroom also came out to be very nice, and it looked the way we wanted it to look. When we were discussing about kids' room, I think in the kids' room we wanted that room to be elegant, spacious, and we also want a soothing kind of colors which we can look for every day. And plus we have opted for folding bed, wherein we wanted the kids also to occupy that space for their playing purpose.
So after having puja at our home, so a lot of guests came here and they looked around it, and they really praised his work and the quality of the work. And even one of my friend, he came here, he really impressed Jay work, and even I think he started communication to Excel Construction about their interior. So I would like to recommend everyone who is looking for an interior designer. They can definitely choose Excel Construction and Jay.
We both wish Jay and Excel Construction and his entire team for his all the future endeavors. Thank you.